Wait, I will share my screen.
Okay, sir.
Is it visible now, right?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
So, do you know programming language? What is programming language? What we have done through the programming language?
Solving the problems like that.
Which type of problem?
Type of problem.
Okay, then listen. First of all, suppose you are a user, okay,
Okay.
and there is a machine. Got it?
Yes,
So,
sir.
if you are a user, and that's a normal human, right? Human.
Yes, sir.
So, human know about the what it know about this one alphabet, right?
Alphabets.
Or numericals, numbers. We can say that numbers. But
Yes.
our machine, let's see, our machine only know the binary digit. Do you know binary digit?
Yes, sir. Zero
Oh,
and one.
0, 1. Okay. So our machine only know about the binary digit. Got it?
Binary.
So that is a problem. How can we communicate the human? How can we communicate with the machine? Okay. So
Yes.
that's a programming language comes into this picture, and I will go with that one. So, okay, programming language is one of the way to communicate with the our
Mission.
machine. Got it? So
Yes.
there is so many intermediate subsystem will be there that helps to convert this programming language into the machine language.
Okay.
That's done. It's done. Maybe four. Okay. Huh? Which one? PT? Oh, I will say to you, but I'm not getting the time. Okay. I will say. Okay. Okay, it's fine. I will say. Okay, it's fine. There's a two type of programming language. Do you know?
Types of program.
Yeah, type of programming language. Do you know about it? The first one.
Um,
The first one.
I don't remember of them.
Low level programming language. Okay. The second one,
I know.
high level programming language. Okay. And then after we are discussing low level means same source code will be there, right? Suppose that's a
Yes.
user. Suppose that's a user, and it write the source code. Source code is nothing but a file of code. Okay.
Okay.
Source code is nothing but a file of code.
Fine.
Source code is nothing but a
File of the code.
file of code. Okay.
Yes.
And so user write the code in a source code, and this source code is converted so source code is converted by the compiler into machine code. Okay, so our
Yes.
compiler directly convert the source code into the machine code.
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but a low-level programming language.
Okay.
That is nothing but a low-level programming
Low
language.
level.
Yeah, like C programming language, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
C is nothing but a low-level programming language.
Low level.
Hmm. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
this one is nothing but a that's a low-level programming language. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay then. What about the high-level programming language? All the process will be same, right? All the process will be same. All the process will be same, but there is some intermediate subsystem will be added inside it. You know, take it once. There is a compiler, and we just remove this one for right now. I'll make it after that. So up to compiler that is fine. Up to compiler, you are getting the all the subsystem is same, but
Okay.
there is a new file will be added here that is known as bytecode. That is known as
Bytecode.
bytecode. It is just code of the binary digit. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. This bytecode that is after compilation, the bytecode that's source code converted into the bytecode, and suppose that's one is a machine. Suppose that one is a machine. Okay. Suppose you have to run the Python. Okay.
Okay.
You have to run the Python. First of all, you have to download the Python. You know,
Yes.
when you download the Python, it create a virtual machine. It create a virtual machine.
Yes.
Okay, now that we call
Okay.
virtual machine.
That's what.
Virtual machine. Yeah, machine. And this virtual machine is responsible to run the bytecode
Okay.
into the machine code. Into the
Machine.
hmm. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but a high-level programming language. The that one is a low-level programming language. Got it? And
Yes,
that
sir.
one is a high-level programming language.
Hello.
Hmm. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So these things are low-level programming language and high-level
High level
programming
program.
language. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So then after we are discussing about the how can we download the Python in your PC? Do you know about it?
Yes.
Hmm.
Python. Actually, we use the compiler, online compiler, and the Django. I have few ideas about it.
Okay. Have you downloaded the Python in your PC?
No, sir.
Okay. So first of all, you have to do one thing. I will share my screen once again. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Wait. let's see, you just search the Python, download. Okay, we just search the Python download and select the first one. So you are getting a button, right? Yellow button.
Yes, sir.
So you have to select it first. When you select it, right, it will start installing in your PC.
Okay.
Got it? And you
Yes,
have to
I
go
got.
with a step by step, one by one. Okay. After installation, we can do one thing. Go to the command prompt. Wait, I will share my screen once again.
Okay.
After installation, go to the command prompt. Okay. After installing, right? If you install
Yes, after.
properly, go to the command prompt and pass code space start. Wait, not like that. Go to the command prompt cmd and pass Python under that's a double dash is there, and then after we have to go to the version. Okay,
Okay.
so you are getting the output of the Python. That
Python
is the
was.
installation of the Python. Yeah, when you installing, right, it create a virtual machine in your PC, and that's a virtual machine. It helps to convert the bytecode into the
Into the
machine
mission.
code. Got it?
Yes, I got.
Are you already open? Okay, no?
Yes.
So next class I will go with the variable. Okay, no?
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, bye.